Yes, it's a dinosaur balloon garland. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you guys? Today I am sharing with you this highly requested balloon garland. I received lots of comments, lots of requests for this dinosaur balloon garland. So today, finally, this is the day when I'm actually making this dinosaur balloon garland. Everything I will be using for this balloon garland I will link in the description under the video. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Also, you guys, raise your hand in the comment section below who you are, who requested this balloon garland, because I want to know, you know, why not? All right, without any further ado, let's go. Let's go over all of the stuff that I have here in the box. I'm planning to use probably not all of it, but this is the color scheme that I'm going for this balloon garland. I am starting with my dinosaur balloons over here, then my Rawr word. Then I have green balloons, 12-inch, left over from my Fiesta balloon garland. I have these green marble balloons and confetti balloons in green. 36-inch green balloons. These aqua balloons, probably I won't use them. 12-inch lime green and green balloons. Then I have lime green 5-inch. 5-inch again, different color green. Then I have 18-inch green balloons. Then you guys, I have these blue 5-inch balloons and 12-inch balloons in the same color. Brown balloons in 12-inch, yellow 5-inch balloons, and I have orange 5-inch balloons as well. I am using my low temperature glue gun to fill in spaces on this garland, 20-pound fishing line, tying tool, and that's about it. Let's go. All right, I am ready to make this happen. I did set up over here. I have my blue and brown colorful 5-inch balloons, green foiled balloons, so I would know where everything is. I am starting with my 12-inch balloons, green balloons. Then I am adding 5-inch green balloons as well. So I'm taking two balloons at the same time and I'm blowing them together. Just like that. And I'm tying them together. And I'm creating these clusters, these pair of balloons. I am doing that to my 5-inch balloons and to my 12-inch balloons. Then I'm going to create this balloon garland base. And then I'm going to go with different color balloons and I'm going to add and build this balloon garland and just have fun with it. So let's blow the clusters. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, I'm done filling in 12-inch balloons. Now I want to go, I don't know why, but I want to go with 18-inch balloons. Now I am going to blow them individually and tie them individually. Let's go. Blue for 18-inch balloons. Now I'm going back to my green and I am mixing colors right here. These lime green and these darker green together, making clusters. And we're gonna use this for our garland base as well.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Hi. I love you.
I love you too. blowing my balloons. Time to construct our balloon garland. So I am going for the green clusters and green clusters in 5-inch balloons. So I'm taking my first cluster, tying my 20-pound fishing line around my first cluster. Okay, secured nicely. Now I'm gonna go take another cluster in 12-inch. I am pinching those two clusters together, taking my fishing line, wrapping around newly placed cluster balloon, one of the balloons. Pull on your fishing line and push your balloons together. Again, around newly placed balloon, pull on your fishing line, push on your balloons. Don't pull and push on your balloons too hard, especially with your fishing line, because fishing line can cut your balloons and can cut a hole and balloons will start deflating. So let's go for 5-inch balloon right on top. Around with your fishing line, push and pull. Around with your fishing line, push and pull. One more on top. Wrap around, push and pull, wrap around, push and pull. So basically that's what you're going to be doing, kind of alternate between sizes, and you're going to be done in no time, and your balloon garland will be ready for filling in spaces. Secure your balloon garland. Cut a long tail of your fishing line. Grab it with one hand, hold on to it just like I do here. Take your tail and wrap this tail around one of your balloons. Now you created this loop over here. Take this tail and feed it through the loop and pull. Again, around your balloon, feed it through the loop and pull. Do that a couple or a few times to make sure your balloon garland is completely secured and you're ready to hang it up. If you don't have a backdrop like I do, use these command hooks. These are 1/2 pound command hook. Just take extra fishing line, wrap around your balloon garland and tie your fishing line to that hook. Works great. It won't damage your walls or any surfaces. We did test them again and I love them. So let's go. Now for me and my backdrop, as you can see, I have safety pins pinned on my fabric like I do here. And I'm taking extra fishing line like with those command hooks. I am wrapping that extra fishing line around my balloon garland and going to the safety pin and tying that fishing line to the safety pin, and it holds my balloon garlands very well. Start filling in spaces with all of my but my additional balloons. I want to blow some of these dinosaurs up. I like this one. This one's not that angry. This one looks a little scary. I don't know, but I like the color of this one. There's a yellow one right there, and this one I don't like. This one because it has red eyes, and honestly the style of it don't even match the rest of the dinosaurs. So I am blowing, looks like these two guys more into brown and orange colors. I am using my drinkable, my drinkable straw. I'm inserting into the spot where you're supposed to insert to blow your balloons. And for these balloons, I'm going to use my electric balloon pump to blow them up. I just insert this straw into my electric balloon pump and these two dinosaurs, I feel like I want to add more color, probably green. Okay, dinosaurs are ready. Let's blow the roar. Now ready to fill in spaces. I want to start with my probably Rawr and my dinosaur balloons, and then see where I need to fill in and make it more like bigger and more volumizing. So let's do this. I am using my low temperature glue gun to attach every single extra balloon that I'm planning to attach on this balloon garland. I have a few balloons left, so I have this leftover balloon strip. So I'm taking this balloon strip and going the easy route and inserting my balloons into this strip, making, you know, like an extra kind of like a balloon garland at the bottom. I'm gonna place it on the floor and it's just gonna lay there and being pretty. So is what I have for you guys today. Very unusually cute, very unusual colors, but that's how I felt about this balloon garland. So everything was nice to work with. Every single balloon, the quality was very great. Nothing popped, nothing deflated. It was comfortable enough for me to tie knots on all of them. This 18-inch balloon, one of them burst on me. I don't know why. These guys over here, the Rawr word over here, I glued on my low temperature glue gun. So is this guy over here, and the rest of my balloons attached on my low temperature glue gun. This dinosaur is a different story. As you can see here, I have a fishing line attached to, not attached, but tied to his tail. I kind of made a loop and feed his tail into that fishing line loop, took it all the way to my garland and tied this fishing line to my garland. So it's not really doing much, but it's kind of holding this side up because it was kind of weighing down. Also, his neck over here, I did a tie fishing line around his neck, and I took this fishing line all the way to my balloon garland again, and I tied that fishing line to my garland. So it holds this dinosaur very well. This dinosaur was hung way too far from my fabric, so I took a glue dot over here and I placed the glue dot right on my dinosaur and pressed my fabric on this glue dot. So it kind of glued my fabric and dinosaur together, and it's kind of bringing this dinosaur closer to my backdrop. This part over here, you don't have to do this. I just had leftover balloons and I decided to make an extra balloon garland, like a tiny one. And then this guy, I didn't really use it, so I placed it on a side just to be cute, you know. That's it for today, you guys. Everything I used, I will link in the description under the video. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. I actually finished filming this video and I was ready to edit when I remembered that I forgot to insert my palm tree leaves. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm going to just bend the ends of these leaves like this and kind of insert and push them between my balloons, and you know, it's gonna be cute. So let's go. I am done with my leaves and I think I like it better than without the leaves. It brings out this foresty jungle kind of a theme over here as well. And yeah, let me know what you think about the leaves. Alrighty guys, here you have it. This is my take on this dinosaur balloon garland. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll be there to chat with you guys, and I'm actually curious what you think. Was it easy enough to follow? Was it fun to watch? Will you be making this balloon garland for your event? Let me know. Let me know. If you have any additional questions about this garland, then leave it in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to answer to the best of my abilities and help you as much as I can. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and guys, if you're new here and you like this video, I'm pretty sure you will like my other videos as well. We're having fun here, so just hit the subscribe button down below and join our creative family. All right, I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.